Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm doing number 3 in my crossword collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. Be sure and check out her channel. She's very talented. And I am using items. I have a Daphne's Diary that I got. It was the 100th issue. And so I'm using some stuff I got from there. I pulled this paper out and I just cut it down to size. And I'm going to use that as my background. And these little girls also came out, so I want to use some of them. So first of all, I'm going to get this down. It's hard to choose which side. I love both of the sides. But I thought my little girls would show up better on the other side. So, that's not good. I'm not used to using tape, but on my first page, it warped really pretty bad. And I was a little bit more careful with this side, but I'm going to try out the tape. I just have to remember it sticks from the get-go. All right. Now let me see which ones I want to use. I'm kind of partial to these little girls. I do want to trim down the bottom. The Daphne Diary is a beautiful book. I love it. I just wish you could sell use them in a journal and sell what you make with them, but they're good for collage. Now that's pretty. And I could maybe, let's see, I've got these two because I've got these letters. I've already, wrote it out in pencil, which I will, I'll do these little girls. Well, I hope everybody's doing all right. I'm doing good. Not a lot going on. I have not been feeling really great. I'll have good days and then bad days. I guess that's just the way it is when you get older. Okay, now I want to highlight that, and I can kind of see those letters. I know this one kind of blends in, but it does have an outline, so I'm not really too worried about that. So let me get this down. Of course, you got them going both ways. Which way do I want it to go? I think I like this one this way. I've already got my letters. So let me go ahead and get it down. There we go. And I think I like it better that way. These are so pretty. Ooh. Excuse Kit. All right, now we've got that. So now I want to go ahead and put in my letters in pen. We've got bloom. I think I need let me see. I don't think that one's going to work. Got a brush marker, so here we go. Bloom. Love. Enjoy. We've got flower. Rose. Sweet. Lily. Daisy. And iris. I like that. And now I want to add, let's see what else I got. I've got these. I believe I would go around them in black just so that they would stand out from the background. Let's see. I just hit the one side. I think I can go faster. And I'll come back the other way. And then we'll go this way. We have been getting a lot of rain. It rained almost all day yesterday. The temperature's gotten a lot cooler. I mean, it's been in the 50s at night and about the 60s in the daytime. We've needed the rain. It got really dry here over the summer. But it's just been that slow, steady rain. Good sleeping weather. That helps a lot. And let's see what else we've got. We've got that I can tuck in. Got butterflies. Can always use butterflies. Like that. Sorry, I should have thought about this. Might be quicker to have used like black soot. I just didn't know if it would make it dark enough. But it's just been a nice, slow, steady rain. Well, we didn't watch the Super Bowl, but I did cook Super Bowl food. I fried some chicken wings, and we had sausage balls and cheese dip with chips, and I did some barbecue meatballs in the crock pot. And then I fixed a peach cobbler. We were in the mood for a peach cobbler. I hadn't made one in a while. And it was good. Okay, I like that. So let me get them down. here, do I can go around this. Get rid of some of that white there. Kind of want it to be a little bit bright. There we go, and now this one. And I've got these puffy stickers that might be pretty. And maybe a butterfly. I like that. I like it there. See here, maybe I like that. Like that. All right. So I think this one is done. I'm going to put a little 3 here so I can keep track of which one my last one is. And I need to do that on these as well. I'll put my 1 right there. And my 2 right there. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs. And she is really talented, and I appreciate her doing this collage. It's not really a challenge, but all we have to do is use the crossword, and we can do whatever we want to do to decorate and just put some words in. So if you did enjoy it, I'm so happy, and I love you. And then until next time, bye y'all.